The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall, skilla.
I need the cybercrime bullying section here and around the world, whoever is listening to this. I need your help. I need the help of the FBI, CIA, any government agency at all that can help me. Because right now it's gone too bad right now and I need your help. I wasn't asked to be in this position. I was never asked to be in this position. I have my issues. I lay in my bed and one day I just get up and start watching Teaching You My Cooking Skill, Donna program. I started out by giving donations, which I think I was like planting a seed. That's exactly what I was doing, like planting a seed, because that's how you can plant a seed. It was COVID, near COVID or before COVID, and I wasn't going to church, so I don't know what's wrong with this thing. And I really don't want to turn the comments off. But it's like really going crazy. I don't know if I can't even see nothing like anybody is even on there. Anyhow, I started to donate, and from one thing leads to another. September 12, I would say September 9, 10, 11, and 12, I was watching Teaching You My Cooking Skill, where Donna wanted somebody to pick up some cakes for her. And I'm going to show you all the voice note and everything. I volunteer. I write in the comment and I said I could pick them up for you because I know she wanted them was to go to her daughter or to a certain individual in Orlando. And being as I'm living so near, I told her I'll do it. We talked the whole entire time on Facebook Live. If she hadn't deleted a lot of her stuff, you would have seen it. So I spoke to her and I said, yes, I could bring it. I could take it up. I could take it up for you. She called me. I don't know if I should do the comment. I should do the tapes in the same time I'm talking or just wait until I'm done. She called me and she asked me to pick it up for her, that the lady was leaving for the airport and I should pick it up for her. I said, okay. That was the Saturday. Sunday, she called me like way early. I couldn't make out what she said on the message because it was so low. So when she finally told me, it's like the people them that dodge her. But me go play the voice note and me couldn't hear. The people them that dodge her and she don't know what she gonna do. So me say, in the same breath, I said, you know what, if I could come to Jamaica, anymore I had the money to buy the ticket at the time, I would have come down there, but it was going to be a rush. It's not like I could just go and buy a ticket. It would be a rush for me to go get the ticket to come back. So you will hear on the voice note when I said I would come to Jamaica and pick it up. But what you're not going to hear, what she had played was just the voice note that me said me go come to Jamaica, come pick up the pudding them. Because she even told me I could come and do it. But all of those was erased by her. When she called me the morning, I was in the middle of cooking and I hurry up. But I think I'm going to Orlando, only to find out I'm going to Fort Lauderdale, which is like almost 4 hours from me. When when she called me, I said, let me talk to the lady. The lady was very rude when she come on. But anyhow, I said to her, where are you? Send me your location where you at. In a matter of fact, I wanted to know which airline or whatever. She said she's in Fort Lauderdale. If I don't know Fort Lauderdale Airport. I say, oh my God, you're in Fort Lauderdale? She said, yeah. I say, oh my God. No, me have to hurry up now. Don't do what me I do. On my way going, anybody who know I-75, knowing that if you're going down, it's either you go down or you come up. You can't stop halfway, turn off from one different exit, reach earlier or nothing like that. Anyhow, long story short, on my way going down, she said she get a ride. She going home, which is in West Palm Beach. I still have to go to Fort Lauderdale to go to West Palm Beach. When the West Palm Beach pick up the cake. When I pick up the cake, me call Miss Donna. Call. She not answer. Me call Donna. No answer. Let me find the no answer from her. By this, she was on her live. That's September 12th. It's not on the new number. That's September 12th. And she say, me call her, me say, I pick up the stuff from the lady. What should I do with them? March, April. Me say, me pick up the stuff them. What me fi do with them? Should I bring them to your daughter? I was on the live at the time. She says, no. Don't bring them to my daughter. I don't want my daughter to hold on for my money and stuff like that. I said, should I bring them to Stacy? She says, no, she don't know Stacy. She don't know Stacy. So she don't know Stacy, so me not fi bring the money for Stacy. So me end up keeping the thing until later on in the evening. I call her, I said, what should I do with them? She said, no, you're gonna sell them. You're gonna sell them. What I really want to tell you is that I didn't run her down for her stuff. She was the one who really insists that me keep them and sell them. Me keep them and me sell them, and me give her $3,800 in cash I gave to her daughter. Her daughter never give me $1 from there. Donna never say take out no money out there, because it was always promises, and I'm not going to go inside of this story. But the thing is, I didn't even remember I gave her that $3,800. Now I only pick up 28 cake, and if you no can check, because me no have no pen and paper out, show the message them. Me want to show the message them at the end for run all of the message them. That's when me want do it, when it happened, September 12. September 12. Okay, let me turn this one up. Me I go call you and give everything.
When me I put out the next batch of number,
Okay.
our phone. Believe me, I go call you, the lady for carry the food for me.
That was
Tomorrow,
September
me I wait till them
19.
come. So send me I go call you and give you everything. Our phone number, so but them not come yet. From week I be people I promise me and not come. But me I clean, so me not have no time for the phone today.
Okay, all right, Miss Donna. Give me a call later on then when you're ready. I'll just wait for your call. Okay, thank you. Auntie Donna, remember, say if you call me and let me know the information, or you give her my phone number and make she call me when she reach out. But you have to call me early that me can go meet her. Alright?
Man, that me I go book and I go call Paula. Don't forget her uniform.
Miss Donna, good morning. The voice message is so low. I don't even hear what you said. Please repeat, ma'am. I didn't hear what you said.
Good morning. Show me calling and I sleep. Me I try to get the lady, you know. Because some of them, you know, then come here. And my friend, the lady, me know somebody, me know a sister. And she said, she sister, so she go carry it for me. So me hear them, I like them out. Change up them vibes. Them attitude from yesterday. So me I go call this morning and me I go see if she carry it. And make you know.
Boy, I don't know how some people two mind, so. I don't know how some people two mind. I mean, if them a do you a favor, them a do you a favor. I don't know what wrong with them. Any more me will have the money, me actually they got shoot. But I just take a flight and come down.
That's when I tell her I want to come down to do it.
Up back, believe me. Because it
and that was September.
Would I just come right down there and come back up, me I tell her, man. Miss Donna, give me a call as soon as you get my message. I pick up the puddings. And I got 39. Okay, so give me a call.
Alright, just come in and I'll put my phone for charge.
Auntie Donna, I need 100 pudding.
Okay, that was when the pudding them sell off so fast. And I tell her, so she need to send 100 more. But let me get this clear. I'm not doing this for none of you all out there. Try get this straight. Donna have a right to put out what she put out. Call everybody a thief. Call me liar. Scandal my name all over the place. And it's okay. But for me to come and address this situation and said my truth, it's a problem to all of you duncehead out there. I'm not doing it for none of you. I'm not trying to be relevant. You all are making me relevant. I never asked none of you. I tag a few of my friends who could be on here. I never send call none of you. So none of you no go sit down there and bully me. Tear me down. Me already know say me nose look like a pig already as to all I want to say. Me can't make myself. Me not read none of no comments. And me no want to hear what none of no have to say. None of no have to sit down on yourself and listen to nothing. You understand? None of uno don't have to sit here and listen. And I want to know, where are the people them? What they protect women in Jamaica, America, and all over the world? Where are those people? Where are those people? Crime and violence against women. This is where it starts, from one little lie. This is where it starts. I'm not asking none of you for validation to do nothing. And I'm going to be very decent with all of you today. I'm not going to call you no names, and I'm not going to do what you are doing to me. I never call none of you. I have to put my truth out there. And no matter with all the threats that I'm getting, and all right now, my life is in danger. My family life is in danger. You understand? And I'm just here asking for help because I knew, yes, I knew if I was in Jamaica, they would have bust my ass long time and I would have to apologize. I have nothing I want to apologize for. You understand? If me dey here so, I'm sick on the stomach so bad, why you no come on my page and they vomit? Me never send call none of uno. I was going to turn off the comment section, you know. But for reasons, I'm not turning it off. Because you see how dumb uno is. You see how dumb uno is. Me not turning it off. I mean, not address none of uno. You understand? Me they address the situation with me and Donna. So why uno pick it up, pan for uno head, and believe say uno fi come bully me, send threat to me, do what uno want do. Me no know why uno believe that. You understand? Me not beg none of uno nothing, and I've never begged none of uno nothing. And I'm just stating my facts. If Donna wanna state, Donna already state her facts, and everybody laugh and and uno go on. You understand? So I'm gonna do mine. It don't matter what none of uno wanna do. You know what? Let me get you out of the way right away. How can I do this? How can I do this one? You can go. You don't need to write not more. You understand? Why everybody who speak then truth and speak out about Donna, the whole on no believe so you can jump down Donna back. You think you do Donna a favor? You not doing Donna a favor. You not doing Donna a favor. You they can tell me what to do. Who no can tell me what to do? And who they make me relevant? Who is the one who making me relevant? I didn't ask to be relevant. Who is the one? I'm just stating my truth. So no go come here, come bully me. Because me not scared. I'm not scared of none of you. Because uno deal with bullying, uno deal with all of them something. I deal with the law. That's what I deal with. I mean, only hope Facebook is taking a look. I only hope Facebook is taking a look at what is going on right now. Just read my comments, them that's going on with me right now. And I'm going to post some more, which is worse. Who no want throw acid upon me? Who no want ring me neck? Who no want shoot me? Who no want come down here? Donna already do all what she need to do. She put my address out there for everybody to see, my phone number and everything. And then she's going to come to apologize for what she had done. And even though she apologized, she's still telling a lie. You understand? She's still telling a lie and trying to bring me down at the same time. If you apologize to somebody, leave it and move on. Just leave it and move on. Yes, I'm going to talk about this until the day I die. If today is the day I'm going to dead, well, today is the day when I'm going to finish talking about it. I'm not going to finish talk about it until I see justice served and I get a little peace. You understand? I'm not going to stop. I am not going to stop. So if all of you come over and think you go bully me, come and bully. Come and bully. When me look, you know what? If Donna went listen to Opal, you know, and her daughter, Donna wouldn't be in this mess right now. Because from the very first day, to show you how much Donna is such a liar, Donna put my picture up on the 1st of the month, the 1st of January. She put my picture up. Let me show you the picture where she put up. Me not go afraid of none of no. So no can't stay there and chat because me never look for no comments them. There's so many stuff to get out. Where is the picture? This was put up on January 1st. Let me try and get this something for you. Oh, why is this not moving? I don't know if you can see that. It read back and front. I don't want it to read back and front. I want it to go, but the camera not moving. Camera not move. I don't know how we're going on this to turn the camera. It read back and front. I don't want to read back and front. Is something wrong with the camera right not moving? What people don't understand, you know, what trigger all of this? What trigger all of this? Because you people are so dumb and you can't start from the middle of the story. January 1st, when Donna post me picture up there, nobody knew me and Donna in a no kind of confrontation. January 1st, when she post my picture up there, phone number and address, none of you never see it because it was taken down very fast, and I'm trying to put it up, but I don't know why. It's like back and front, right? It is like back and front. So I don't know how to put it because it look like the camera. May I try to turn the camera? I guess I won't go voice note and go have to listen to, because may I try to turn the camera. When she put this up there, she never have to put it up there because Donna have me 2 number. She got the very first number that I got on the 21st of the month. She got that number on the 21st, and the old number was gonna be disconnected. I didn't know about that. Me and Donna thought the whole of December. Maybe me should use the paper then. It is still not going. I am on right now. I am on right now. Yeah, when time the picture went up on the first of the year, it should have never gone up there. It should have never gone up there because me and Donna thought the whole of December December 31st when we have the big blowout with me and her. So my picture should have never gone up there. It should have never gone up there. You understand? So what me go do, me go play the recording. Because apparently me can't turn the camera. I don't know what they go on with the camera. I don't know if me have to end the live and start it back over again. Because the camera won't switch. I don't know why it won't switch. Let me play the recording with she and her apology, which is no apology at all. Which is no apology.
And when things ride your mind, I will talk on it. One of the things that I think I blame myself for, and I will say it now with no ill feeling, no hatred, no pun intended, and a lot of people are going to bash me now, but one of the biggest mistakes I have ever made in social media, and I think that you're going to put up Maxine's picture. You know why? Maxine and although Maxine did me wrong, and I never want Maxine to sell my kid, that's why I declined Maxine call. I get a lot of backlash from it because at the time I said that Maxine was not answering my call because she didn't want to pay me. But that is the only thing I'm going to apologize to Maxine for. Me and Maxine had a relationship prior. And when Maxine come on the phone and say, our phone did not team mobile shop and we did a call her and I never get time to put up our picture. I am wrong for that. Because I never know. I thought she was rejecting my call from the 31st of December to in a January and put up the picture. And that is one of the things that I'm going to take back for. Because they have to, watching people know her. People know her basically know her. But when I see Maxine come out and tell some serious lies that is a joke when I'm a kid, it shows me she say some of the people who talk upon the phone, I am to be aware of them. Because remember, you know, I never come on the phone and tell Maxine telling a lie and nothing. I ask Maxine for my money. And when Maxine says she send things, come here for me. I remember saying to Maxine, I don't want anything from anybody. She said she's sending it for my staff. I never said I throw it all away Maxine by. I said I throw away the stuff that was said. I want $1,200 for because we all know.
You hear what she like?
What she said she spent for me. And that was the upsetting of my spirit when me give her the things.
She's saying that she never said she throw away the stuff. She said it on her live. She dashed away everything. Right? That's exactly what she said. She dashed away everything. So why are you going back here right now and saying that you never said that? You said it. You said you throw it away.
Everybody get. But as we move from that, that's one of the things that we acknowledge. We should have never put up our picture on the phone. But even now, a lot of things that she say about me and do about me coming down the line and wish me bad, I would never wish bad on Maxine. Maxine was somebody who used to know me on the program. She donated to the program twice. One time she buy something.
A lot.
And one time she sent $200 to me personally to advertise her daughter nail business. And I told her that I am not taking any money for any nail business. And she said, okay, give it to Spider when they was working down. And
that's a lie you're telling right there, Donna. I never give you no money at all for my daughter to advertise for my daughter. Because when I'm going to give it to you, you said not to give you no money because I've donated so much to the program. You're doing it for free. The $100 that I gave to your daughter to buy tickets from what a lady the name. That's the first play what you did when time you and Mr. Ansome have the war. That lady, I bought the tickets for them to your daughter. I don't remember what the girl name. Anyhow, forget about that part of it. That part of that the name is not really relevant right now. But that $100, you're saying I'd pay you. I never paid you. Never ever paid you. I never ever paid you for that. That $100 was to buy the tickets for people down the 5. The day when me call Donna and tell her, say, me we go sell the cake for her. Me we go sell the cake for her. She was on the live trying to get people to, like people who live in Orlando, New Jersey, and New York to sell the cake them for her. So I told her that I could drive there and do it. It's not that I was begging her to just make me go do it there. There was people on the live wanted it in Orlando, New Jersey, Georgia. And I say, okay, me will take it on the road and go do it. So, the terms are the wrong way.
Donna never did want to take your call and it on you. You understand? Because Donna was your meal ticket. All of a sudden now you're vexed. All of a sudden you're upset. All of a sudden you can't take Donna. You were pro Donna, but now you're not for Donna because of what happened with the pudding. Lady, clear off. Clear the hell off. You can't talk to nobody. You're the worst man on social media, my love. Because you never make no sense. You don't make no sense a little foreign, and you don't make no sense a big foreign.
Why Chris pick up people fight on the head?
Come off of social media. People like you sitting on social media, my love. Move yourself.
Why him pick up people fight on the head? It no concern him none at all.
Everybody where you cuss, I get ahead in life. Everybody where you cuss, I do them thing. Everybody where you cuss, have them purse. You understand me? Everybody where you cuss, my love. You say they are side with the rejects, my love. You understand? You my love. You understand me? You know, see how the people in Macedonia, pious, darling. My love. You understand me? You know, see how the people in Macedonia, pious, darling. My love. You understand me? You know, see how the people in Macedonia, pious, darling. My love. You understand me? You know, see how the people in Macedonia, pious, darling. My love.
I don't know what happened to them. I don't know what's wrong with this thing. This thing is like driving me really crazy right now. Because what I really want to do, I can't get to do. And might be there's a reason why it's not coming up. But I might have to come back later with whatever I can come back with. Whatever I can come back with. But all I want to say is, I mean, for Donna to like come and apologize about something, it's not, that's not even an apology. That's not even an apology. You understand? That's not even an apology because you're still the lie behind it. You're still the lie behind it. I mean, I don't know why me can't get this up them if we even play. Me and Donna cuss the whole of December, the end of December, cuss like really cuss. And me tell her if it come off on my phone, me not gonna use the word them when me use and tell her, me not gonna use it right now. But me and she cuss. Me really not gonna use all of those words right now. But I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened to this stuff them. I don't know what happened to this something. Me think me take picture of them and take video of them. I did. But we then disappear and gone. Donna, you have somebody there working at the high-tech department. You do have somebody there working at the high-tech department. Where is even the message? That's October, November, December. Everything gone. If you could have them listen to the video then. Yes, I am. With all 3 phones, but lucky enough, I have paperworks. Let me kind of turn it around. Because they love screenshot. Me already we have paperworks that was done already. But trust me, everything what me have set up, me have me things set up already. And it's unlikely that me have to log in on my phone. Yes. Yes. It's unlikely that this morning when I get up, because normally, you know, when you set up your phone, Facebook and so you're just going on your device, them and stuff like that. Me can't go in on the device. Me won't have it go like me I do it all over again. So now me I look every single thing. Every single thing gone. But me already have what me have in the process already. But that's okay. Every God Almighty thing gone. Everything. Everything. This is unbelievable. This is so unbelievable. This is so unbelievable. I am in shock. I am in shock. What happened? Me no know. Me no know what happened. At least this picture me might can show with the incoming and outgoing calls that was made between me and Donna. With me and Donna. Let me go back to the 29. All right, these are from the 29. Where me and Donna and Paula. We go back way because the camera don't go round. That's from the call log. So they really sit down, they laugh. They laugh right now. That for sure. Say me and all of them when talk from the 28, 29, go straight down to the 31st. So when Donna post the picture, she never went have to post the picture. But all of this something them, may God have mercy. I am in shock. See this with me and Donna, and this up in a picture, and it's not on it's not in the inbox, in Donna inbox that I have with Donna message them. It's not there. It's not there showing right now. This is just picture that I have take. You see it? Say December 27, December 28, December 26. Me when they talk to Donna. This upon Donna new number. That upon our new number. All of them something hear me up. But true me when take picture with those and never take picture with the other stuff them. Everything just gone right from in front of me face right now. So this girl really have friends in high places. She really do. She really do have friends in high places.
No, feel that she just woke up.
All right, you know what? I'm gonna have to end this live and sort out what me have to sort out right now. Me definitely have to any, but me just want to know see say Donna die and she still the lie. She still the lie. It's not like she's talking the truth. And me really have to go come back. Me have to go come back. Me go make some phone call.
Viewers and subscribers, it's not the first time I see a video on social media that shows this female talking about Miss Donna. No, it's not the first time. You see? Alright, I just presented to you a piece of an entire video that is out on social media. And according to some things that the female said in the entire video that is out on social media, I got the understanding that she talked about a female who goes by the name of Miss Donna. And she said some things that gave me the understanding that she called Miss Donna a liar. You see me? And she also presented some things in the video that are considered to be evidence or proof to back up the things that she said about Miss Donna. You see me? Viewers and subscribers, one of the reasons why I presented that video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. You see me? And I also presented this piece of video to you so that you can take a look at it. You can also let me know what you think and you know, to keep you up to date and posting and let you know what's going on. Alright? Me Dancehall skilla, I only wish the best for each and every one. So me I said to you, and you don't know, me I'm there to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Yeah, let me repeat, I only there so to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright, so let me know what you think about some of the things that she said in the piece of video that I just presented to you. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Hear me now? Hey, yo, skilla. You are watching Dancehall skilla Entertainment.